First of all, name of Allah. Hi. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn about CSS layout width and maximum width. In body section, we will use open P element and close P elements. In between P elements, we will use resize the browser window to less than 500 px, comma, and wide to see the difference between two divs. We will comparison between two divs. Underneath P elements, we will use div open and close div element, copy, heading level 2, open and close heading level 2 element. In between heading 2, we'll use the div element as 500 px. In div, we will use heading level 2 and close heading level 2. The div element has maximum width 500 px. Now we will apply CSS on these div. In head section, we will use internal CSS, open style tag and close style tag. In between style tags, we will use period character. Period character represent to class attribute, div 1, open curly braces and close curly braces, border colon 1 px, solid green semicolon. And now we will apply CSS on first div, class attribute equal double quotes. In between double quotes, we will use div 1. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. We will apply CSS on second div. Copy as it is and paste underneath div 1 and change div 2. We will apply CSS on div 2. Class equal double quotes div 2. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Now we will use BR tag gap, create gap between first div and second div. Div BR tag means line break. In short form, we use BR tag. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh them. When we drag the browser window to smaller than 500 px wide to see the difference between two divs. When we drag the browser window, then we will comparison between two divs, and in head section we will use in first div margin colon auto semicolon, and now we will use border width colon 500 px semicolon. A block level elements always takes up the full width available, stretches out to the left and right as far as it can. Setting the width of block level element will prevent it from stretching out to the edges of its container. Then you can set the margins to auto to horizontally center the element within its container. The element will take up the specified the width, and the remaining space will be split equally between the two margins. We will use CSS in div 2. We will use maximum width colon 500 px semicolon. After that, we will use margin, margin colon auto semicolon. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page in 500 px. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Notice resize the browser window to less than 500 px. Why? To see the difference between the two divs. We drag the browser window to smaller than 500 px wide, and to see the difference between the two divs, as you can see, we drag wide and close, and you can see comparison between two divs, 500 maximum width and 500 px.